Welcome back to the VST channel. This is the new Galaxy Z Flip 6, and contrary to the Z Fold 6, there are some new things here indeed. The bigger screen, which was not there in the Z Flip 5 and 4, and also a 50 megapixel camera. But also, guys, it is refined. It is really very thin and it looks nice. This here is the Fold 6. The only new thing here is, there are not a lot of new things. Alright, there are some lenses around the rings, and also it's thinner, it's lighter, it has better protection. The crevice is not so visible, and also a new hinge mechanism. 120 Hz infrared on the screen, but it is the same phone with a very incrementally slow update. So minor things there. It looks cool, and now you can see I'm trying to focus inside the hinge, so this time it really looks better, and it's getting there, it's getting almost there. And these are the Buds 3 Pro. A lot of people were saying that they are one-to-one copy. They're not. The stems are different, they are triangle, etc., and they have this cool stripe. But let me show you something that is really cool. This is the One UI 6.1.1, and the Galaxy AI right now is a whole different section inside the settings. They still have the same things, but they do have the drawing assistant, which is now only available in One UI 6.1.1, running on Flip and Fold, and you can draw things. As you can see right now, like, just take your phone, the Flip 6 or Fold 6, just draw it, and then use several options like pop art or illustration or graphic, and then generate an image. And what you see right now is absolutely unedited footage, and this works very nice, I can tell you. I was not able to tell this is a basketball, but the AI was able to, and it gives you options. And I'm going to show you a few more of this example, because I do believe that, the sketch to image or this AI drawing is kind of one of the newest things inside the One UI 6.1. Right now, on the Fold 6, we are drawing a house, alright? And I know a lot of people out there are testing houses, but we are also drawing something around the house, like the house is staying on the ground, and we are generating it in real time. Again, I'm not speeding up the video, so what you see right now is the real outcome. It is absolutely stunning the way that it works. I was trying today things like Canvas and AI Image and OpenAI, or it doesn't really work well like this, and of course this is free. If you have phones that can run it. Now this is going to be trickier, guys. I asked my kid to draw a car, and then of course he had to give something from him, so he put CR7 Cristiano Ronaldo on top of it. All right. And what was crazy is that the AI was also able to capture this, and like, take a look. Like, you have to be a very clever AI to just think that's a car and draw it. Maybe this looks like a Cybertruck, but the Galaxy AI did not disappoint. And I can tell that I'm really impressed. I know a lot of people will say that this is a gimmick, and most probably it is, but you can say, check this example, guys. You can draw things that are going to be your own creation, all right? Then use generative AI and put them on a t-shirt. Why not? This time we're drawing a man or a boy, and this time, for a change, we're gonna be using the pop-up option. So we have cartoon, we have 3D art, we have graphic. Right now we're using pop art, like Andy Warhol, etc. And just keep looking. This is gonna be stunning. Now you can take this and put it up on a print and just put it on a t-shirt. Why not? This really looks amazing. So again, this is included in One UI 6.1.1, and this time people are saying that most probably non-foldable phones like S24 and Ultra Plus will get it. It also works right now on the Flip 6, and this is the proof. So let's hope that we're gonna get this in August in the One UI 6.1.1, because usually 1.1 are only reserved for foldable phones. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please enjoy this video. VST over and bye.